So big V is the observed velocity from an outside frame of reference. Okay, V1 is the velocity of the object you're comparing the speed to. So it's the speed of the reference object. And V2 is the speed of the object you're observing. Speed of the observed object. And again, it's compared to the reference object. You'll be fine. So, what are we solving for? How fast the bullet appears to someone on Earth. Is that V, V1, or V2? Any takers?
I'm going to say V.
It's V.
That is a big fly. That is a big fly.
That's not I want to slap it.
Bro, that's a V. I'm pretty sure that's a V.
$20 I can slap it.
Let's catch
No.
it.
Let's catch it. Just leave him alone. He'll leave you alone. All right, so V. That's fine. All right, so V is what we're solving for. So V1 is the reference object. So what are we comparing the speed to? We're comparing it to the train. Okay, we're comparing it to the speed of the train. It's 0.8c faster than the train. Okay, so the train is 0.5c, and the object we're looking at is the ball, or is the bullet, and the bullet is 0.8c. Okay, I've got good news. If you mix up 1 and 2, you will still get the right answer, and I won't take off any points. So if you get your V1 and your V2 mixed up, I will not take off points for that. Yep. Yeah, exactly. So let's set up the equation. V equals V1 plus V2 over 1 plus V1 times V2 over, you guessed it, c squared. There's a lot of numbers. This math is by far the easiest one you're going to do. So 0.5c plus 0.8c is 1.3c. Don't freak out. I know you're saying to yourself, Mr. B, nothing can be faster than the speed of light. It's 1.3. It can't be faster than the speed. Don't freak out yet. Don't freak out. We're still doing math. 1 plus 0.5c times 0.8c is 0.4c squared. It's just the c that's squared, not the 0.4. That's why I didn't put it in parentheses. So it's 0.5 times 0.8 is 0.4. C times c is c squared. So 0.4c squared over c squareds. As usual, the c squareds cancel. And you get 1.3c over 1.4. 1.3c divided by 1.4 is 0.93c. So, does this answer make sense? I've stressed this a lot, that you want to see if your answer makes sense. Does this answer make sense? Is it faster than the speed we see the bullet going? Yes. 0.8 is what we saw the bullet going compared to the train. It should be faster than that. It is. Is it less than c? Yes. So it needs to be larger than the fastest speed, but smaller than c. And that's what we got. So we know we have the right answer. Or at least we have a reasonable answer.